Right now, I'm looking at the Texas Supreme Court website, and I'm not finding anything about. I'm not finding anything about um, this case that allegedly the state of Texas filed, and that has public notices regarding the election, the protest by the Attorney General concerning the clerk in Harris County sending out ballots by mail. I'm not finding anything right now on the site. I'm not done. There's a couple of other things to look at. But what I am finding is a lot of cases by Kim Ogg in Harris County concerning people that are being subjected to charges under the same judge. I've found at least 5 cases in 2 days around the time when allegedly that petition was pending or had been filed. There's nothing on the date it's dated for, and there's nothing the next day, right? It could take a day or more for it to post. But I'm concerned because I haven't looked through all of them, and some of these petitions are like 300 pages long. So whatever it is, was it a grand jury proceeding? Was it some sort of grand jury? Well, if it was allegedly a grand jury proceeding, the problem is, oh God, not another one. The problem with that is that uh, the one case I just spot checked had a discussion about a visiting judge, and it makes me concerned that what happened was when I got here in 2016, I was witness to a setup that has now proliferated and expanded, and is now using the named reference of a specific judge in connection with other people named in these suits identified with the narcotics unit of the Houston Police Department. Okay, all right. Good. Go after them. Go get those sons of bitches, those goddamn fucking narco wannabes that want to, go through that. Are you really talking about racketeering involving the pension fund? Why are you doing it in that way and also doing it on the same day when you have 2 cases for a woman who has the first name that's also a street name for a serious narcotic? In fact, the kind of serious narcotic a lot of people allege people in Texas have spent 30 fucking years trying to flip and legalize in order to meet a bunch of deals they set up with actual cartels. You got 2 cases naming a woman who apparently has 24 friggin' years. She has to serve 24 years, and her name is the same name, street name, as that narcotic. Is it her and maybe her sister who has a different name? Are you trying to actually get at something? Why didn't you just come out and say it directly? Because I'm concerned you took an eagle in Spanish and tried to flip him for someone who's not Russian. And using him and his life and what you spied on him with your little trolls. I mean, did you get some good stuff on him when you sent that guy to from Dallas to the NDI? I take that very personally. I don't see anything on here that the news is reporting about how the Supreme Court of Texas responded to the Attorney General's case concerning ballots. But what I do see is a lot of public notices being underwritten with very, very serious and significant crimes that seem to have escalated in the last couple of days since these were filed.